Hey, welcome to your first early dismissal day. This is our plan. It is intended that you are going to work independently the entire time to get your work done in today's class. Listen as I go through the entire explanation, and then you are going to have all the time you need to get this stuff done. The first thing that we are going to do is learn to calculate our GPA. I'm going to show you how. Hang tight. The second thing is that you are going to complete MemBean. Now, yesterday we worked on the MemBean test or quiz, whatever you want to call it, and those minutes, although they counted as your product grade, do not count for your 30 minutes for homework. So I'm giving you time now today. The third thing that you're going to need to do is work on anything that is missing or anything with a low grade that you want to improve on. So you're going to go check out your grade book in just a minute, and you're going to see, is there something that you have missing that you need to turn in? For a lot of you, it's going to be that Chapter 4 Ed puzzle, or the PCR potentially, or anything else that you did poorly on that you want to recomplete. Now, this is not something that I normally do. In fact, this almost never happens. So you want to take advantage of today. So let's go check out your GPA. This is what it would look like. Each value in your Schoology has each value of a grade has a number by it, how many points. So if it's a 97, it's an A, counts as 4 points. If it's an 86, it's a B, it counts as 3 points. If it's a 75, it's a C, it counts as 2 points. And if it's a 64, it's a D, and it's only worth 1 point. And as you can see, if you are failing a class, you get no points. It doesn't help your GPA at all. First of all, why does GPA matter? For a lot of reasons. If you're trying to go to college, you want the highest GPA you can possibly have. If you're trying to play sports here at Chopscon, you need to have at least a 2.0. And yes, your coaches are checking them. And yes, you will stop mid-season if your GPA isn't up to par. So the first thing you're going to do is add them all up and then divide by 7. Here's an example of how to do that. I made up a fictional report card: English, math, science, history, health, art, finance. I said, okay, well, this one has an A, B, C, D, F, A, B, and I put the points beside them. So when I add up 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3, I got a total of 17. So I had to add them and get 17. Now I'm going to divide by 7. 17 divided by 7 is 2.43. That means that my GPA is high enough that I can play sports. It's not going to be a great GPA to get me into college, but it's not the end of the quarter, so we don't have to worry about that yet. We're focusing on your grades right now. Nothing is permanent. You can improve them. So first thing I want you to do is get out your laptop and work on this GPA. Figure out what yours is, and if you are eligible potentially to play sports, or if maybe you just needed to realize that it could get better.